Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Iris muscle, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nerve supply. So beginning with the dilator pupillae. So this dilator pupillae or the radial muscle of the iris. So here there's a sympathetic postganglionic nerves from the cervical ganglion. So there's a sympathetic postganglionic nerves. So sympathetic postganglionic nerves from the cervical ganglion. Next is looking at the constrictor pupillae. The constrictor pupillae are the circular muscles of the iris. So in this condition, there is a parasympathetic postganglionic nerves. Parasympathetic postganglionic nerves, and this is from the ciliary ganglia. Ciliary ganglion. That is the Edinger-Westphal nucleus. There is Edinger-Westphal nucleus. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.